Today we're going to unbox and set up the brand new Apple Watch Series 9. Apple recently released their new watch lineup and this is one of them. So let's unbox and set it up and see if this year is any different from the previous years. Welcome back to my channel, and without any further delay, let's dive in.
Right, so let's kick things off with the box. It's a plain, simple white box with the watch logo on top. And of course, it's got the details on the back. This is the 45mm in starlight color. Let's get cracking. Let's open up the box. So there we have it. Inside the box, we get the watch itself, which is the Series 9, and the strap. This is the starlight color strap. So let's open the peel now. Bring it closer to the mic so that you guys can hear it. Oh, that's always satisfying. Let's open up the strap as well. Now let's have a look at the watch. So in the box, it's pretty straightforward. There's a cable, the charging cable, which is packed right over here. It's a USB Type-C cable, just like before. And then we have the regular instruction manual. It says designed by Apple in California. And now here's the watch. So let's take this out. There you go. This is also like a nice recycled material. It says 45mm on it. You can see that. And there's the watch. It's got a slightly goldenish color this time, the starlight color. I also have the Series Watch 7 over here, and if you can see, the color is slightly off. It's not exactly the same. There's like a slight goldenish tinge this time. It looks pretty good. So let's put the strap on. So all you have to do is just slide in and it's magnetically attaches itself. It locks into place. And there you go. The watch is also powering on. As far as it comes to design, it's not really different from the previous watch. It's exactly the same. Series watch, this is the 7, this is the 9. So there's no difference as such. It's just internally what Apple has added. They've added the pinch gesture and they've added some other features as well. So we'll definitely look into that. So now let's just look at the setup process. So now that the watch is on, so as soon as you unlock the watch, it gives a pop-up over here. It says Apple Watch. Use your iPhone to set this Apple Watch up. So we click on continue. Would you like to send notifications? Allow. Set up for myself. Hold the Apple Watch up to the camera. So let's do that. Let me just scan it. There's like a globe, a similar globe shows up when you are setting up your iPhone. Same globe is reflecting over here. So there you go, it's already paired, and now it says to set up Apple Watch. So let's click on that. So now it gives a wrist preference, whether it's left or right. So we select left and click on continue. It says connecting your Apple Watch. This may take a moment. Right, so it gives a terms and condition pop-up over here. You have to just click on agree. Signing into your account. This may take a few minutes. And now it says watch analytics. So would you like to share your data with Apple? I don't want to share. And it says to create a passcode for your watch. So let's do that real quick. So after we enter the passcode, it says to select the text size that you would like. And maybe we could go slightly smaller. Click on continue. Now it says shared setting. Apple Watch shares settings with iPhone for location services, etc. So we can click on OK. And now it asks us to enter the health details. So we can do that. So after entering all the personal details, it's now asking us to set up activity. It says what's your daily goal, etc. So maybe we could set this to 1,000 calories per day, which is a good amount. Set move goal. Exercise goal, set it to 40 minutes. And your daily stand goal, 12 hours. So now this is for outdoor activity, and if you're into a lot of outdoor workouts, so you should enable this. And these are other notifications that will give you if the noise is too loud, or cardio fitness, low heart rate, high heart rate, etc. You can click on continue. And if you're taking any medications, you should enter it over here. So let's click continue, and this is a safety information that it has. Continue. Now it's asking us to do a cellular setup, because this watch is not just the Bluetooth one, it's a cellular watch. So let's set up cellular. So there's a geo number on this, so let me enter all the details. So after you enter all your details and you log in with your geo account, it gives an option over here, manage smartwatch data plan, and for some reason it shows S845mm over here. I don't know why that is. I assure you guys, this is the Series 9 watch. It's there on the box. Let me just show it to you, and here's the box. And let's click on next. Put away your phone. Let's stay connected. Pair new device. Proceed. Request received. Okay, so that's it. And that's it. So it says welcome to Apple Watch. It just gives you a brief introduction. So you click on OK. And there you go. The watch has been successfully set up with the iPhone, and it's now ready for use. So that's it, guys. The watch has been completely set up. I will be testing all its new features, and I'll make another video on that. If you like the unboxing and initial setup of the Series 9, then please do like the video and subscribe. It helps with the algorithm, and I'll be very grateful for that. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.